One of the most exploited income tax section to save taxes is the section 80G, which helps people save taxes by giving money to the charities, to promote charity work in India and to encourage donations. Contributions, charities to certain funds and charitable institutions are allowed as deductions from income tax under section 80G of the Income Tax Act. Depending on the nature of the institution, 50 to 100% of the contribution may be allowed as deductions. Charitable trusts and NGOs are one of the most genuine ways to convert white money to black and black money to white. The technique for such type of transaction is, suppose there is a person who has a salary of 1 CR. Now he'll be paying taxes of 30% plus surcharge plus cess on that salary. So he can go to a trust that is involved in such activities where he donates them the part of the salary. In the trust account, that contribution is returned in cash to the person donating that amount along with the donation receipt after deducting a commission. So basically, if a person decides to donate 1 CR to a trust, the trust will return rupees 95 lakhs in cash, keeping 5 lakhs as their commission. The person receives the cash to spend it anywhere he wants to, saves 30% taxes by paying a little commission. Plus the trust earns the commission, plus the huge amount of cash that every trust receives could be converted to white, which can be spent anywhere in the books. Every official knows this, and that is why whenever a NGO goes for applying 80G, they need to do good amount of charity to the officials for being 80G entitled.